go.
It's close. I feel like I'm getting in his way.
Keep your back against the wall and then let him work. Because you're right. Do you see it?
No.
He put his head right there.
By the mirror?
Look in the cracks.
Oh, alert. There it is. There. Oh, my goodness. Squeak. Good boy. Wow. Okay. One more.
Like I said, I didn't intend it to be this difficult.
No, but it's good.
I'll rephrase. I did intend it to be this difficult, but I have the inside that's difficult too, so I kind of feel bad. But
Oh, that's okay.
they'll work through it.
He's still working.
Which is good, because he's got one more.
Alert?
Yes.
Yeah.